fucking 11.
Oh, you only drank like 7 last night?
Yeah, she did. Just hopped around. Fucking
Yeah, but you're a right man, so I would be going right. You're not gonna make it through both 2-4s on the weekend.
I will make it through both. I don't care if I drink a beer
I
with
thought
you.
you
I didn't make
drank
it.
one. I was like, what?
I am gonna make it through both fucking 2-4s, Tom. Fucking. Start at fucking 8 o'clock. I'm gonna run to the fucking next day.